Good morning students, and today we are going to discuss electricity and circuit lesson question answers. Okay, the first question is give the functions of the following. First, switch it helps the connecting or disconnecting circuit it will. It is used to help the connecting or disconnecting the circuit it will. Okay, switch it helps in connecting or disconnecting circuit it will. Circuit la switch வந்து connect பண்றதுக்கு disconnect பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம். What are conductors are the materials that allow the current pass through them, that allow the current pass through them. Materials are classified into two types, one is conductor and another one is insulators. Conductors are the material that allow the current pass through them, and insulators are the material that do not allow the current pass through them. Do not allow the current pass through them. Okay, give the following, give the function of the following switch. It helps in connecting or disconnecting the circuit it will. Connecting and disconnect பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம். And conductors are the material that allows the current flow pass through them, and insulators are material that do not allow the current pass through them. Okay, next, what is the significance of the switch? A switch helps in connecting and disconnecting a circuit it will. Switch oda significance என்னன்னா தேவை என்னன்னா it connecting and disconnecting the circuit it will. Okay, and next question is when the bulb is said to be fused. Why? The bulb is fused when the filament of the bulb is broken and the current stops flowing even when the key is pressed. Due to this, bulb does not glow. Okay, when the bulb is said to be fused. Why? எப்போ ஃபியூஸ் ஆகுதுன்னா the filament வந்து ஹீட் ஆகுறதுனால there is no current flow, circuit வந்து break ஆகும். So there is a no current flow, the bulb does not glow, bulb வந்து glow ஆகாது. Okay, so the bulb is fused when the filament of the bulb, and the filament என்ன filament யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் bulbல tungsten, அந்த filament வந்து heat ஆகி and it broken and the circuit the current stop flowing even when the key is pressed. when the நம்ம switch போட்டாலும் current வந்து flow ஆகாது because the filament is broken and the filaments வந்து heat ஆகுறனால it get broken. So when the current stop flowing even when the key is pressed, நம்ம key press பண்ணாலும் current flow ஆகாது. Due to this, bulb does not glow. Okay, and next question is define electric current. What is electric circuit? Define electric circuit. And electric circuit is a closed conducting path for the flow of current. Okay, a electric circuit is a closed conducting path for the flow of current. Current flow ஆகிறதுக்கு ஒரு closed path தான் என்ன சொல்றோம், electric circuit. Okay, and next question, conductor and insulators are equally important for us. Give reason. Conductor are used for joining various components of a circuit. Conductors are used for joining various components. Circuit உள்ள various components join பண்றதுக்கு என்ன யூஸ் பண்றோம், conductors. And insulators that do not allow the current pass through them. Insulators என்ன பண்ணுனா current வந்து allow பண்ணாது அது வழியா. So connecting wires are covered with plastic. Connecting wires வந்து எதால கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம், conductors தான். conductorsனா என்ன காப்பர் அதெல்லாம் வச்சு தான் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், connecting wires வந்து மேக் பண்ணுவோம். So connecting wires are covered with plastic. அதுக்கு மேல ஒரு பிளாஸ்டிக் இருக்கனால so that the user does not get shocked. நம்ம தொட்டாலும் ஷாக் அடிக்காது. Okay, the first question is give the functions of the following switch. It helps in connecting or disconnecting the circuit it will. And next, the function of conductors. The material that allow the current pass through them. Okay, insulators that do not allow the current pass through them. Okay, next question is what is the significance of the switch? A switch helps in connecting or disconnecting the circuit it will. அதுதான் மெயின் பர்பஸாக இருக்கும். ஸ்விட்சோட சிக்னிஃபிகன்ஸ் தேவை என்னென்னா the switch helps in connecting and disconnecting a circuit. Circuit வந்து கனெக்ட் பண்ணது டிஸ்கனெக்ட் பண்ணுறது தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், switch யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். When the bulb is said to be fused. Why? The bulb is fused when the filament of the bulb is broken and also it gets heated. The current stops flowing even when the key is pressed. So only due to this reason bulb does not glow. Okay, bulb உள்ள filament வந்து heat ஆகிறதுனால அந்த bulb வந்து flow ஆகாது, fuse ஆயிடும். And define electric circuit. Electric circuit, what is electric circuit? Electric circuit means electric circuit is a closed conducting path for the flow of current. Current flow ஆகிறதுக்கு ஒரு closed path வந்து தேவை, அதுதான் என்ன சொல்றோம் electric circuit. Conductor and insulators are equally important for us. Give reason. Conductors are used to conductors are used for joining various components of the circuit. Circuit உள்ள various components connect பண்றதுக்கு conductors use பண்றோம். And the connecting wires are covered with plastic. And the connecting wires வந்து covered with plastic, so only the user does not get any shock. நம்ம தொட்டாலுமே எந்த shock அடிக்காது. Okay, conductors are used for joining various components of the circuit. Insulators that do not allow the current pass through them. Conducting wires are covered with the plastic so that the user does not get shocked. எந்த shock அடிக்காது. Okay, question is rubber and plastic used for conducting electric wires. Why? Connecting electric wires. Why? Electric wires are used for joining various components of a circuit and have to be made up of conductive material so that they allow the current pass through them. They are covered with plastic which is act as an insulator to protect the user from getting shocked. Okay, rubber and plastic used for connecting electric wires. Why? Because electric wires are used for connecting electric wires are used for joining various components of the electric circuit. Electric circuit la components வந்து join பண்றதுக்கு various electrical battery ல இருந்து bulb அப்படி connect பண்றதுக்கு நம்ம electric wires use பண்றோம். And also it is made up of conductive material, and so that they allow the current pass through them. So that only they allow the current pass through them. They are covered with plastic, so which is act as an insulator, so only the user protect the insulator to protect the user from getting shock la irundhu nammala kaapathudu. Okay, and what is the direction of electric current in the electric circuit? Electric current flows from positive to negative terminal. Okay, positive to negative terminal. Electric current flows from positive to negative terminal. Okay, and what do you understand by closed circuit? Closed circuit is a continuous path of current flow. Okay, closed circuit is a continuous path of current flow. Okay, closed circuit la வந்து continuous path of current flow. Current வந்து flow ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். Open circuit la current வந்து flow ஆகாது. And if an electric circuit, the positive terminal is marked P. Electric circuit positive terminal is marked B and the negative terminal is marked N. What will be the direction of the current flows in the circuit? Appo direction of current flow is the direction of current flows P to N. Okay, positive to negative terminal. The direction of current flows from P to N, positive to negative. Okay, and what are LED? List some uses of LED. LED are light emitting diode. Okay, what's the full form of it? LED, light emitting diodes which emits the light. LED which emits the light. And list some uses of LED. It is a little consume of electricity. Electricity வந்து கம்மியா கன்சியூம் பண்ணும். Little consume of electricity. Little consume of electricity, and also it emits more light compared to the bulb. Okay, it emits more light. Okay, it emits more light compared to bulb. Okay, compared to bulb it emits more light. Okay, what are LED? LED is light emitting diode which emits the light. What are the uses of LED? LED it uses what are the uses of LED? It little consume of electricity வந்து less consume பண்ணும். and also it emits more light compared to bulb. Okay, it emits more light compared to bulb. Okay, and the first question is rubber and plastic used for connecting electrical wires. Why? Electrical wires are used for joining various components. These components are made up of conducting materials so that they allow the current pass through them. Then what? So only they allow the current pass through them. They are covered with plastic. So plastic is act as an insulator. So only the user product from getting shock. Shock la irundhu nama vandu product panikalam. What is the direction of electric current in the electric circuit? The electric current flows from positive to negative terminal. Direction எப்பொழுதுமே எப்படி இருக்கும்? Positive to negative terminal. What do you understand by closed circuit? Closed circuit is a continuous path of the circuit. Closed circuit is a continuous path of the circuit and which allows the current flows through them. Okay, closed circuit is a continuous path of the current flow. And next, if an electric circuit, the positive terminal marked as P and the negative terminal is marked as N, what will be the direction of the current flows in the circuit? The direction of the current flows from positive to negative terminal. Okay, the direction of current வந்து எப்பொழுதுமே positive to negative terminal தான் flow ஆகும். Direction of current always flow from positive to negative terminal. What are LED? LED is a light emitting diode which emits the light. Okay, and what list some uses of LED? LED it consume less power. Okay, less power and also little consume of electricity. Electricity consume பண்றது கம்மியா இருக்கும் and also it emits more light compared to bulb. Okay, it emits more light compared to bulb. Next, difference between conductors and insulators. What are the difference between conductor and insulators? Conductors, insulators. Material that the material that allow the current pass through them. Material that allow the current pass through them. Example, copper. Okay, here what is insulator? The material, what are called the insulators? The material that do not allow the current pass through them. That do not allow the current pass through them. Example, plastic, rubber. Plastic, rubber. And next question is list out the uses of electricity. List out the applications of electricity. List out the application of electricity. List out the application of electricity. Electricity is used in various fields, light up our homes, office and street. Electricity derives the saw cutters, conveyor belts, bulbs. It is useful for functioning manufacturing industry. It is used in manufacturing industries. and also it is used for manufacturing industries and factory, application of electricity, factories and other home appliances such as bread toaster, grinder, mixie, home appliances. And the field of communication, electricity is used in the medium of transmission. The field of communication is electricity is used in the medium of transmission. Okay, transmission is the process of transmit the light, sound and electricity in the form of energy from one medium to another medium. Okay, these are the applications of electricity. Electricity day to day life la ella idhulume use agudhu, home, office and street and factory la, industries la, and transmission, conveyor belt and saw cutters ellathukme use agudhu, and also other home appliances ella idhulume enna use agudhu, electricity. Okay, learn and write this question in your notebook. Okay, in your notebook. Thank you students.